Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tasty eggless butter cookies. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 250 grams of wheat flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 800 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 250 grams of butter, and lastly you will need some jam. In a medium-large bowl, you're going to add 250 grams of melted butter, or you can use Blue Band. Then add 800 grams of icing sugar and mix the two ingredients very well. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and continue mixing till everything is well combined. Once everything is well combined like this, you're going to take a large sieve, add 250 grams of wheat flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt, and sieve everything into the bowl. Then you're going to mix everything till everything is well combined. So I decided to use a spatula, or you can use a wooden spoon, to mix all the ingredients till everything is well combined. Once everything is well combined, take a pimping bag and put the mixture into the pimping bag. Then afterwards, press everything in front, as you can see in the video, so that it can be easier to shape your cookies. Then afterwards, I'm going to shape my cookies in round shape, or you can shape them straight, or any shape that you like. Then afterwards, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of jam and put it in a plastic bag, and then make a tiny hole so that you can decorate our cookies. Lastly, I'm going to decorate my cookies by putting a jam at the center. Optional, you don't have to do this step. And my cookies are ready to be baked in the oven. Then bake your cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, my cookies are ready, as you can see in the video. Let them to cool down before removing them from the tray. And my tasty crunchy cookies are ready, as you can see in the video. These cookies are so tasty. Enjoy with a cup of tea or milk and enjoy your cookies. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.